This is how I made this beautiful looking planter stand using just single pallet, and how I used to keep it earlier and the difference how it is now you can see, and I'll show you in the video. Let's go ahead. For this project I was using pallets. You had to dismantle the entire pallets and keep single pieces like this just to get the stand. Earlier this is how I used to keep it on just on the ground, and you will see in the future how it will look right after the final product. Now this basic structure is done. We need to put another wood here, another wood there, and a support here. There is a support on top, that is fine, but we need support down as well. Now we'll do that. This is how it looks now. We'll show you after once it is done with the box. This plan was not intended at all. So while working on this, I just got this plan that we can keep a stand on top as well, so that we can keep some extra pots there. Now the last option, we are going to put one here, just below this big one here. Now this gives us a spacer at the bottom, both the side, and according to that height, we will place this. We are done. This is as strong as you can stand on this. So this is our project and it is done. We'll show you after the pots are done on this rack. And this took me almost around half an hour to finish it. And if you have something wood like this from the pallet, this is from a single pallet I guess. One single pallet will have so many woods, and you can build something like this from a single pallet. The final product, and we are going to make more adjustments on this. So there will be pots here on the stand, and this is all filled up. Maybe we'll do some alteration, but as of now it is all done. This is how beautifully this product result came out to be. I am in just love with this. And just for your information, the stand on the left hand side is very fragile. We paid around 2000 rupees. It is already catching up rest, and it is so lightweight, not at all worth the price. But this pallet, which you do it by yourself, you will feel proud, and it will last generations. If you want similar projects in the future, do let me know down in the comments down below. Do subscribe to this channel. We have been growing really slow, and if there is any comments, any improvements, do let me know. And by the way, this pallet project costed me just 500 rupees. And see you in the next video. Until then, like, share and subscribe. See you.